Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to look at how to verify a bank account on Coinbase. Alright, let's get into it. Now the first method is an instant verification via Plaid. Now the first thing you need to do is log into your Coinbase account, go to settings, select payment methods, then click link a new account and choose bank accounts. Then select your bank from the list of supported banks. Then enter your online banking username and password. Follow the prompt to authenticate and link your bank account via Plaid. Now the second method is micro deposit verification. So the first thing you need to do there is log into your Coinbase account, go to settings and select payment methods, click link a new account and choose bank accounts. Then enter your bank account details, including the routing and account number. Then Coinbase will send you 2 small micro deposits to your bank accounts. So you gotta wait for those micro deposits. It usually takes between 1 to 2 business days, and then enter the exact amount of the micro deposits in the Coinbase app or website. Once that's done, it will verify, and that's done. Now it's the verification timeline. You need to take note that instant verification via Plaid, you get immediate verification, whereas the micro deposits, you gotta wait 1 to 2 business days for the micro deposit to appear, and then immediate verification after entering the micro deposits would happen. So you gotta take note of those two. Whichever method you're using, you just gotta take note of the pros and cons. Now if you have any issues during the verification, you can always contact the Coinbase support. Ensure your bank account is eligible for verification and meets all of the necessary requirements and all that, just so the whole process goes smoothly. Alright, so of course you got benefits for verifying. Now the first is you got an increase in deposit and withdrawal limits. So of course when you verify, you get a chance to enjoy that. You also have access to additional features and services on the platform, and also it enhances security and compliance with regulatory requirements. So these are a lot of benefits to enjoy from the app. So verification is always a good thing. Alright, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like the video, and of course comment, let me know what you thought. Don't forget to share the video with your friends so they can also find it useful, and of course subscribe to the channel, and please do not forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Alright, that's it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.